Hi, how are you? Welcome to the lie detector test. I am Dev and you are by reputation an expert on tablets. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Naveen. They call me the Pad Pundit. Anything you want to know about tablets, I know first. I know everything about this thing.
Well, you seem thrilled to be here, so
Yes, I am. Look at my smile. Working is my passion.
this is the OnePlus Pad 4 and it comes with some exciting features that you are supposedly an expert on. We're going to ask you about these features to make sure that you don't lie, exaggerate or significantly undersell. We have Pushpinder Ji with us and he'll tell if and when you lie.
See, this seems very elaborate for a tablet.
Well, that is exactly that someone who plans to lie would say.
I would never lie about my work.
Lie. Now that it works well, let's get into it.
Okay, first question. The OnePlus Pad 4 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the world's fastest mobile CPU. So in real life, Naveen, what does that actually mean for someone using this?
You can multitask on it. Like open an app and then open another, maybe.
Lie.
You can do that on a rock nowadays. Could you care to elaborate?
Okay. See, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 means that you can multitask, like proper multitasking, not the pretend multitasking, where your device quietly gives up and you don't notice until your 50 tabs are frozen. We're talking 5 tabs open, video calls, binging, making up random numbers on dashboards, or editing your next reel. This can do it all simultaneously with no lag.
Wow, that's actually really impressive.
And while you process that, it also has ultra low latency and blazing fast connectivity speed. So anything that requires the use of internet, it's got you.
It's 2026. What do you mean use of internet? Look around. Everything uses internet. My fridge has internet.
Cloud gaming, large file transfers, and video calls where the other person doesn't spend 10 minutes looking at a glitched version of your face mid-sentence.
Truth.
I've lost so many friendships with frozen video calls. Impressive. PC level productivity. Every tablet on the market claims it can replace your laptop. But can the OnePlus Pad 4 actually deliver on that?
Yeah, for sure. You can open a couple of windows, move them around a little.
Lie.
I think, Naveen, modesty truly feels like your most consistent quality, is it?
Real PC level productivity. You can arrange and resize multiple windows freely. Drag them, snap them, stack them however you want. No more split screen or nothing. Heavy multitasking without the tablet having an identity crisis. Multi-column views, waterfall browsing. Find exactly what you need the second you need it. And yes, drag and drop files between windows like a normal person on a real computer.
That's truth.
Okay, that's better. But what about file management? Because, digging through all those folders on most tablet feels like archaeological work.
See, that's where it gets dangerous. The pad becomes a full second screen. Mark up presentations with the stylo. Take control across both devices, move from your desk to your sofa without losing a single thing. It's not tablet connected to PC. It feels like one workspace that just happens to be in two places.
So you're telling me that I can sit on my couch, mark up a deck, drag files over and still look like I know what I'm doing?
Yes. You might even finish your work before 5 p.m. Scary thought.
Truth.
Okay, I wasn't ready for that level of honesty, but
Frightening concept, I know.
okay, let's talk battery. This is 13,380 mAh, the biggest battery on a OnePlus Pad yet, I presume. But what does that translate to?
Translates into the fact that you can use it for a while. It has a big battery, lasts long.
Lie.
Shvinderji,
Long lasting means nothing to me. I mean, if someone is taking more than a minute to order coffee, that's long.
fair point, actually. See, it's built on a 3nm processor. Smaller chip, less power, more output, longer gaming and binging sessions, longer power for spending 20 hours on a Sunday, moving between the couch and bed to rewatch nostalgic rom-coms. This pad will not judge you for that. It will, in fact, encourage it.
So you're saying it can survive a full work day?
You will survive a work day, a flight, and your cousin's wedding, where everyone's asking if you are next. All this while you take back-to-back meetings, shoot, edit, and post content. Before we even get to the wedding performances.
Truth.
Wow. My 11 followers are going to love this. Okay. Worst case scenario, the pad dies.
Hmm.
What does the 80-watt SuperVOOC charging actually look like?
See, you plug it in, it charges fairly quick.
Lie.
I mean, fairly quick is also relative. Running a kilometer in 15 minutes is quick, but you can't say the same for a cheetah.
Cheetahs have nothing on the OnePlus Pad 4. Fast is actually an understatement. Let's say it's fully dead, 0%, right? Now you plug it in and get to work within 10 minutes. Now, while you finish the episodes, like in 90-ish minutes, you're back to 100%. And we already know the battery lasts all day. The math works out embarrassingly well.
Truth.
I know, Pushpinderji.
I'm not even being dramatic, but this could be the single most useful accessory during an apocalypse.
Yeah.
Okay. On the point of accessories, can I draw on it?
Yeah, like you can actually attach a stylo and a keyboard to the OnePlus Pad 4 if that's what the ask is.
Stylo, yes. So, how good are these stylo and the keyboard?
Well, you can write things with the keyboard, and the stylo is simply pro grade.
Not really a lie, but slightly disappointing.
Damn, we just met. Fine. So, the keyboard is actually comfortable for long stretches and has a dedicated AI key. So instead of opening a browser and typing out a question like it's 2019, you just ask. You just ask. And you don't need to pair it with Bluetooth. It literally attaches to your pad. The best part is you don't need to charge it. It draws power from the tablet. So one less lonely charger. And this stylo has fluid pen strokes, pressure sensitivity, a built-in vibration motor, which basically means it writes and draws like you would on paper, except it reduces the weight on your fingertips, unlike a real pen, and you can write or draw for, over 15 hours. And lest I forget, you can locate it within a 10-meter range. Yeah. Truth?
Truth.
Yeah, I know.
I'm out to write some really long, loving letters to all my friends.
The entire display is your canvas, man. Go for it.
While I have you on the topic of displays, the 3.4K and the 144Hz display, how does it actually hold up?
It's a bright display. See, you can have a good time watching content on it. And the 13.2-inch display will have you scrolling less, typing more, because there's actually room to. And 3.4K means if you're that kind of person who zooms into the background of a nature documentary to identify a specific ladybug, you will find that ladybug. True to life colors means what you see on the screen is what was actually meant to be seen. So when you're watching your favorite anime, you will appreciate the fact that someone spent 3 years coloring that scene. And with Dolby Vision and intelligent eye care, you can watch that anime for hours straight. And the only tears that will come out of your eyes will be emotional. And that, my friend, is the real truth.
Wow. You know, I've been watching an anime on my laptop for 4 years and it's been a tragedy. You know what gets me every time though? When the character finally snaps and there is that perfect score in the background. It's just crazy.
Okay, purely because I think we're friends now, it also has 8 speakers. 8. 8 speakers and spatial audio. So when your character goes full crazy,
I go full crazy with that.
you go full crazy with them.
That's truth.
You think we're friends? Okay, so if we really are friends, be honest with me. How much can I actually get done on this tablet with the OnePlus AI suite?
Sure, the usual, like edit some documents, write things faster.
Lie.
Yes, I know. You're right. I apologize. See, the OnePlus AI suite lets you summarize documents without reading them. Write emails that do not end in 5 exclamation marks and a smiley face, and record every meeting you mentally check out of. Then get a full summary of every single point discussed, drafted, and organized without having taken a single note.
Wow, that last one alone.
There's more actually. This pad has 3 new AI features. AI Painter, which takes your random doodles and turns into a proper sketch. And there is AI Recorder, which doesn't just transcribe, it annotates. So your key points are flagged inside the summary itself. You can send minutes of meeting in actual minutes. Oh, and if that meeting is online, you have the AI Clear Call, which means your peers get to hear more of your sweet, melodious voice, even in a noisy environment. And if that was not enough, it can also turn your note scribbles into polished data charts.
So you're saying theoretically I could doom scroll during an entire meeting, get a full summary and still send out notes before anyone else?
Theoretically, yes.
Wow, and get a good appraisal?
I can neither confirm nor deny.
I'm very intrigued with the machine not going off, you know. Pushpinder, what's up with that? Well, okay, all of this is packed in a sleek body. But what can you tell us about the build, Avi?
It feels premium.
Lie.
That's actually not a lie.
So it is premium.
You got me there. See, this ultra slim design means you can stack 6 credit cards together and you have already made something taller than this pad. It's 5.94 mm thin, bezel thinner than me after skipping one meal, and inside that tiny body it packs 13,380 mAh battery and a cryo velocity cooling system that handles everything we just spent the last minutes talking about. All of it without breaking a sweat. So it's basically cooler than a dog surfing waves in sunglasses.
That's truth. Good.
Huh?
You have a visual reference of the dog.
I will show it to you. Only because we're friends.
You know that tears me up, yeah. Okay, thank you for your time. You lied more than we expected.
Not technically.
We're caught every single time.
Debatable.
And somehow still managed to make this the most convincing case for a tablet anyone's ever heard. Wow.
And that's how you clear a major interview.